everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill. So today I'm going to make this craft kit by Simply Made Crafts, Helen Griffin, luxury shaker kit, 78 pieces inside. Now purchase this with some other kits, you'll see the video online. So let's have a look and see what you get in this. 12 patterned papers. Oh, okay, we're just going to open it like that. Right, let's have a look. So we've got some small card bases. And what are they? So we've got 6 by just over 4 inches card bases. We've got some little framed windows there, die cut pieces, some double-sided foam strips, some backing paper, go. It's very Christmassy by the look of it, but you have got the odd paper that you can use throughout the year. Some pictures to cut apart. We've got 2 sheets of pop-out die cut pieces and sentiments, which are nice, which are quite pretty. So we might get on better with this one than we did with the other one. We've included a piece of acetate. However, we haven't got anything to add for the actual shaker, because they haven't included any sequins or anything. So you would have to buy a pack of sequins. So we'll make a card out of this, and we're going to make something like this one on the front here with Santa behind the window, because we haven't got any shaker bits, so we're not going to make a shaker. So luxury shaker kit, it isn't, because you haven't got any sequins. Okay. So we need our base. There we go. And we're going to need to cut out the top left picture, which has got Santa included. So we cut that out. Okay, so he's going on the front of the card, obviously. And we're going by this image they've given us on the front, because there's no instructions included. So we then need the brick wall to put on as our backing paper. And they've made them to fit on the card with a little edge around the outside. So I'll do that. It's a very, very small edge, so it's hardly worth putting any more backing behind it. Although you could layer it if you wanted to, no harm in that. Don't know whether you'd actually see the layer. Let's make it a tad smaller, and then we'll layer behind it. Okay, so we'll layer behind it with this brown one, and still doesn't fit exactly to the card. I've still got a little bit of an overlap. Let's have a look. So we'll see where this goes first. So you get to see just a tiny little bit of it on the outside. So we'll add that. Because we want to do what they've done, so we'll layer it. Just to see whether it all works. Okay. Oh, we've still got a white edge on the top and bottom. Very small. So therefore, I'm going to cut the card down. So it kind of defeats the object because you're still left with an edge of white. Okay, so there's the card. We've layered it, and then Father Christmas is going in the centre, so we'll glue him down. He's going in the centre. And then we've got a window on the outside of him. So we've got one of our frames to put on. And then we want a piece of acetate just to pop on the inside. So it looks like he's actually behind a window. So cut a piece of that. I'm only roughly measuring it, not doing it exactly point to point. There we are. So he's going behind our window. So let's glue our acetate down. Now, I do like the frames, I have to say, they're nice. And you do get quite a lot in the pack. But the one thing that you don't get are the shaker bits, and it says it's a shaker card. Okay, so he's going behind our window. Like that. So if we was to make it as a shaker, obviously you'd use the strips, the foam strips, to pop the window up. But because we haven't got any shaker bits, we're not going to make him into a shaker. So I'm trying to use what's been provided. Okay, and then they're showing flowers at the top, flowers at the bottom, and Happy Christmas. So we'll go to our cut out pieces, and we want a flower at the top, and we'll put a single flower at the bottom. Don't need the same one at the bottom. Put the single one at the bottom. They're showing using the same one at the top and the bottom. So we'll get those on. And then we flowers, and they've put Happy Christmas. And that's down here at the very bottom. There we are, and that's the card. So you can see it's identical to the one. Let me put it down further. It's identical to the one they have shown, except we use the single flower at the bottom, and that's it. It's quite heavy in all fairness for a little card, but all the same it's a nice card. It's a shame there wasn't any shaker bits, but yeah, it's a nice Christmas card. Put a little message inside, or another die cut piece. Could have put a cat by the fire inside the window. Could have made a Christmas scene inside the window with the tree and the garland. So yeah, there is a lot of options with it. It's not a bad little card. It's just a shame there was no sequins inside. So that's the review of that one, Simply Made Crafts. This was not a sponsored video. I bought this kit myself. Just thought you'd like to have a look and see what you thought. Give me your thoughts down below. Let me know if you've got a kit like this or you've bought this particular one. Maybe my sequins were just missing. Okay, as I do in all my videos, I want to thank you for your time. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your likes. Please continue to do so. It means the world to me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.